In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. If you want to connect your WordPress website with Mailchimp so you can grow your email list and improve your marketing, this process is very straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the setup from inside WordPress.com and make sure you know what to look for along the way. To get started, head to your WordPress.com dashboard and open the My Home area for your site. This is the main starting point where you can access your site settings, tools, and installed features. If you're managing more than one website, just make sure you're working on the correct one before continuing. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This section is where you can search for, install, and manage add-ons that expand what your WordPress site can do. Since Mailchimp integration usually requires a plugin, this is where the setup begins. After this plugins page opens, go to the search field and type in Mailchimp. This will bring up related plugin results. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct option because there may be several Mailchimp related tools available depending on your site setup and the features you need. From the results, click on Mailchimp for WooCommerce. This plugin is designed to connect your store and customer activity with Mailchimp, which is especially useful if you want to sync contacts, automate marketing, and support email campaigns based on purchases and user behavior. Next, click Upgrade and Activate. Depending on your current WordPress.com plan, this button may appear because plugin access requires a plan that supports plugin installation. Once the plugin is activated, WordPress will begin enabling it on your site so you can move forward with the integration. If you do not currently have a plan that allows plugins, or if you're not on a paid plan, this is the point where you may need to upgrade before you can continue. That's important to know in advance because plugin installation is not available on every WordPress.com plan. If you see an upgrade prompt, follow that requirement first so the Mailchimp plugin can be activated successfully. And that's the setup process shown here. The key is to start from your WordPress dashboard, go into plugins, search for Mailchimp, select Mailchimp for WooCommerce, and then upgrade and activate it if needed. Once that's done, you'll be ready to continue the Mailchimp connection inside your site's plugin settings.